I'm congratulating Meghana Vemuri, who was studied in American University, the top university. She got graduation. At the time of graduation, she expressed her views that how Palestinian people butchered and how Israel is attacking them. Though as a human being, we should support. Morally, physically, we should support them. That's what she said. Within the four walls, education is not enough. Outside the four walls of what is happening, she is the replica of the society. So such a Meghana, young lady student, and she brave enough. We all should support her, and morally, physically, and also we condemn the American University that they are going to debar from their university, and they are not allowing their graduation also. I am seriously condemning it. All democratic secular forces should condemn that activity. We must support the Meghana for her braveness.